Alright, so it's about 11, and I'm seeing some confirmation to the downside. Hold on, this shit loud. And I usually never say never. I see some confirmation to the downside. Little mini 10 minutes on. So, I'm not super interested, but I got my eye on this move. Oh 08, 02, 6 points, 02, 25. See, the range of return is just not there. And I don't think the market is gonna push that much of a play out. That's a 20-point play. I don't think the market has enough strength to push out that big of a move, man. If we look at the range of return here, it can, but I don't think there's enough time for that. I would have to see just a whole lot of momentum, a whole lot of volatility, a whole lot of participants stepping into the market to see that kind of play come out like that. But this is my aggressive entry. This is my safe entry right here. And now these are not fixed, Kobe. Just because price comes to this line does not mean you have to enter. They simply demand attention. You want to increase and heighten your focus when your line gets approached by price. So what you want to do is be wary of these zones. See what price does at these structural lines of price action. So they're not fixed. Just because price comes to this line does not mean enter. In fact, it can mean the exact opposite. So focus up. We tested that line again. A little 10 minute. Little 10 minute whoop. Little 10 minute whoop whoop. So I have my potential entry point at 350. I like that second one already much better. Not much of a catalyst, but we have something going on here. Okay. Immense focus. The catalyst is building. Maybe it'll pop. I'm watching that line. I'm watching how price interacts with that line. We have a seller stepping in on the on the bid rather. A lot of sellers popping up on the timing sales. Let's keep a keen eye on the behavior of this price action. It looks like volatility and momentum is stepping into the market. Slowly but surely, a rejection off of that baby 10-minute pinch play. This is a pinch play. When you have two zones and we watch the direction in which price will break. My bias is to the downside because the range of return is a lot higher than the upside. I'm stepping in. I want to see a break of this structure, and I'm targeting this right here. It's a 30-minute. If we could swipe away all of this liquidity that's built up in this area and tap into this 30-minute, I'm satisfied. But first we have to get through 4,400 as well as this 15-minute right here. You got people stepping off the bid. Buyer stepped off right here. That's a good sign. They don't want to get caught jumping on the ask. Got sellers jumping on the ask. A lot of selling print going on. Let's observe. Let's observe, man. Not much liquidity to the downside, but I think people can flip the script, and once they notice what's going on, if what I think will happen will actually play out in the near future, I think you will see a lot more people trying to get filled down here. We got VWAP at 394. $394. 394.50. I'm targeting this. Nice 2-to-1. Let's see how we react at 4,400. Psych number. Fat order right here. Oh shit. I want to see how price reacts down here. If we cannot break and can get some continuation past 39, I'm tripping. Past 399, then I'm just gonna exit my position. This is a very large order right here. I want to see us at least attempt to fill this order. But if we can get some continuation, then I think this is a very, very large trade that has big potential to cycle all the way back down to the lows. I want to see how price behaves at this large order right here first, though. I think this would be the deciding factor. He jumped out. We still got this fat order right here, though. Somebody jumped off the bed. He back in. All right, let's see what happens, man. Ah, shit. That's not a good sign. That's not a good sign. I think with these type of flags, these type of signs, I think it'd be okay to position myself to break even. Only because we have a very, very large order here. If it was lower than 400, 500, I would just let it rock out. But because this is 759, I see this as a red flag. But I want to see if sellers are strong enough to break through it and have some continuation. That's big. We need that continuation. Okay, we bounced. Sellers are all over this value. Okay, he's filled. Let's see how price behaves. Are we going to continue? Okay, we're continuing. We're continuing. We are continuing. Now we have a 15 minute. 15 minute. So my 2-to-1 is right here at 394.75. 394.75. Let's see how we react at VWAP. Got that 15 minute. A lot of buyers stepping in. It's a red flag. Level 2 bias is definitely towards the upside. You would think that more sellers would try to get in on this downside action after we just broke some structure and we just broke 4,400. But I guess they're either getting out or I don't know. These might be stop losses. I have no idea. But there's a 15 minute. Or, it could be, it could be people trying to push price to the upside because we have a 15 minute right here. We have some great structure right here, as well as this high a day that we broke. And it aligns pretty much, not perfectly, but it aligns with this structure right here. So people could be expecting a move up from this move, from this structure rather. Could be expecting a move up. And it could go up. I don't know, but I think sellers have it in the bag to push through it. Let's see what happens. Let's see who wins the fight. Oh, you got some buyers stepping off. That's a good sign. I guess that's a real thing, man, because I've been watching this ICT trader. I don't really know what ICT is, nor do I trade that way. But I noticed he's a New Zealand trader. And I noticed that he trades only the last 2 hours of the market, because apparently that's when a lot of volatility steps in. The last 2 hours. And I mean, this move happened 10:40, 11. And I mean, I never really traded this late before, but this is the most volume I've seen all day. I could get out right here since the range of return is not that high. I'd be satisfied with a 1-on-1, but I do think we can go lower. Put my stop loss to break even. I gotta use the bathroom.
Everything is 5 to 7 business days.
Let's see if 4,400 can hold as resistance now. I want to see it hold as resistance. It's like another pinch play. Another pinch play going on. Right? So you got resistance and you have a 15-minute. Which one will break? Which one will break? But you want to see it tap into this though. You need to get that entry confirmation. So if I was to play this pinch play going down, say that price did tap into this 4,400. You have structural support right here, and you have psychological support right here. Broke it. Now it's resistance, right? So I will wait until it taps into it. And if we get some type of rejection, I will wait until we break VWAP instead of this 15-minute. So I would enter somewhere around right here. Say we tapped into it right there. And my target would be wherever I can get a 2-to-1, considering the range of return is pretty finicky. We just have ghost buying is what I like to call it, when price bounces and I don't have any support there or supply. It's just going up. It's floating. So I probably get in right here and get out right here. That's how I will play this pinch play. If that's what's happening. That's what I hope will happen. I want to see price go down a little lower. Yep. Okay, so I see a lot of volume to the upside, but price cannot go above 4,400. I see a lot of volume to the downside. This is only one bar, but if we can get some more volume to the downside and price doesn't go down, then that causes me to think, why is it not going down if sellers are trying to push it down? Are they being absorbed, or is price reversing? We bounced off of this 15-minute. Got more buyers jumping off the tape. Buyers jumping off the book. You got another one. He jumped in. I really want to see 4,400 hold as resistance. If we Took that large order out. Couldn't get any continuation, but it looks like we're retracing up. It's not an aggressive move to the upside. So this could just be retracement to go further down. That's what I'm hoping, at least. It's out of my hands now, so I really want to see some pressure to the downside. Let's get some pressure to the downside. You know what? Maybe I'm expecting too much out of this move. It's 11:22. The market has been lackluster all day. Maybe, maybe I'm just expecting too much. We'll see. We'll see how 4,400 reacts. We coming into it. Catalyst. Continuation. Okay. Okay, so yeah, I'm bringing this down right here. Let's see if we can stop the continuation, man. A lot of buyers showing up on the time and sales. A lot of volume, a lot of buyers on the book. This is really a pinch play, man. Because you got structure right here, that's resistance, plus the site number. You got a demand zone right here, plus all of this structure right here. So it's really which one breaks, which one is stronger. See if bears can defend. It looks good, but we gotta keep it under 4,400, bro. You got a lot of sellers jumping on the time and sales now. A lot of sellers jumping on the time and sales. Not a lot of sellers on the volume print. It's just who wins, man. Who will win? Who will win on this pinch play? Where my guy at, bro? He's streaming right now. See what he doing. His name is Cammy Capital.
You could go to Grainger.com to find what you need to get the job done. Grainger, supplies and solutions for every industry.
If I was in here, use this as a stop, use this fair value gap as an entry.
Oh, he bullish.
Bias neutral. The initial reason for
Do we double tap or we tapping into the 15-minute again?
below these lows, then I'm liking this short. But
Oh,
if you watched it yet, not yet, sir, not yet.
Okay.
Not yet. Seeing that I've got to
Pinch play. Let's see what he's doing. He putting the order in.
put something in there.
Oh, he's shorting. Smart man. Smart man. Smart man. Smart man. Smart man. Okay, so we tapped into VWAP. Is price delayed on TradingView?
Nice, cool. Cool. That's a bit of confirmation there. So now I just need to try and get some sort of movement here. Let's see what form look like.
Alright, so what happened? Tapped into VWAP. Let's see if we can break VWAP. This 15 minutes still is in strong. It had VWAP to support it. You got market buyers. I mean, you have liquidity to the upside, bidders to the upside, still trying to push price up. It might be their stop losses. It might be them trying to push price up, but price is reacting to what they're putting. I want to see a continuation lower. This 30 minutes my target. Depending on how we react to this 30 minute, this 15 minute. I honestly don't want to go lower than that because I don't know what is pushing price up in this area. I have no idea. Maybe I'll get out of this trend line, but I have no idea what's pushing price up. Honestly, if we retrace higher right now, if we break these highs, that's kind of a red flag because usually when price retraces, it'll do another move and then get another retracement in later on down the road. But 2 retracements on the same move is kind of a red flag. I call everything a red flag, but that's something to think about. Like, why is it retracing again? Off of a baby move. We had all of this accumulation to push price lower. We went lower. We didn't get any continuation now. It's not much of a retracement, but I expect at least for us to go down into VWAP. See if we can break 5-minute VWAP. You got more buyers trying to. That has to be them putting their stop losses. Because if I see price crashing like this, not crashing, but if I see price coming down this aggressively with not much of a reaction off of VWAP, I'm not getting in so quick. So this has to be stop losses. Has to be. Let's see if price will use this as momentum to get a continuation in. Okay. Jumping on the ass. That's cool.
QuickBooks Self-Employed maximizes potential tax deductions, uncover deductions, and maximize your tax savings this year.
Yeah, 1 pip spread. 1 pip spread. 1 pip spread killed me there. force me to take a 5-point trade if I get filled in here. 'Cause, yeah, I'd be looking to get out around these lows just because of the big balance down there. Let's try this. Come on, fill. Are you kidding me? You are kidding me. No way.
I wonder why people limit ordering. Is it?
Come on, one more chance. Come back up. Come back up.
Is it due to risk management? Is it easier to manage risk like that?
It's only 4 contracts. You can
Calculate risk.
You can take it, market. Come on. There we go. There we go. All right. Now what we can do here. Where is the punch low? Yeah, around there. Let's give that a little go. Force me to take on a little bit more risk though. Very annoying. My stop should probably be a bit higher too.
It has to be because of risk management. I mean, that's the reason why I trade MetaTrader. It's just so flexible.
What was the turning point that transformed your successful trading aspirations to reality? Oh, I think I'm still working on that there, John Jones, to be honest. It's actually tough, man. I don't know if there was a specific turning point per se. Yeah. Just time, man. Submitting to time and not giving up. It's so easy to give up with trading. Like, say if I lost this trade or whatnot, it'd be, back in the day, that would be absolutely heartbreaking. Or yesterday, or having losing weeks, it makes you want to give up. But just, I suppose, enjoying trading, being passionate about it. I could never not come back to it. You know what I mean? So.
Yeah, that's facts. It has to be your passion, because if it's your passion, you're willing to wait until it gets some traction. If you're passionate about it and you love to wake up and test yourself every single day with something you're passionate about, you're not gonna mind how long it takes. You're not gonna mind failing many, many, many times until you finally get that win, until you finally start accumulating steps that you didn't even think you would be able to get to. You only fantasized about it. So it has to be something that you love to do, because it will take time. And if you're not passionate about it, then, shit, man. You're going to be miserable, because time will take its toll on you. You're focused on the time. You're focused on the results and not the process to get those results. So you have to be passionate about it. You have to love what you're doing. And, the failures are going to be wins if you love it. You're not going to care about the fails. You're not going to care about the losses. You're only going to care about the process and how to improve and get better every single day. So that's real, man. You got to love it. And I love this shit. We hit you up. So you can break view up. I'm done at that 30-minute, to be honest. Where is it? Put a stop loss. Alright. Wait, it's right there. And put a stop loss. Nah, I'm not gonna put a stop loss. Can we not crack B-1? 32.75. A lot of liquidity down there. A lot of liquidity. 390. We got some liquidity sitting at 390. So if we can crack 392.75 cleanly, I don't want to see like nothing, man. That'll make me get out, especially this far into the trade. If we could break it cleanly, then I guess next target is that 15. All right, let's see. We have a catalyst. Continuation or reversal. Market buy, stepping in. Let's see. Let's see where this catalyst will lead us. Let's see. Okay. Damn. What's going on in there? What's going on in there? Alright, so it looks like we get a little bit of continuation. Got another pretty big order sitting right there. You know what? Call it a day. Call it a day, man. What was that? 2-1. Yeah, that's cool. Call it a day, man. Call it a day. That was pretty good. That was pretty good. Alright. Pretty good week. Shit, I'm tripping. I even get a screenshot. So that was like a 2.1, 2.2. Let me hurry up before I get FOMO. Where did I get in? Fuck. I do not want to look at these charts. That's something I gotta work on, because if I'm looking at the charts, my mind just creates opportunity. So even if that opportunity isn't fulfilling opportunity, I might, especially in my past, I'll take another move because I think this will be a winning trade, or anything of that nature. So, or I'll feel regretful for getting out too early type shit. And that's something I'm still working on. So I got in at that shit hurt. I'm looking at it right now. I look like it's about to hit that 15-minute. 39.30. I got in at 39.30. No, I didn't. When did I get in? Oh, 02. I got in at 02. 11:02. 11:02. Stop loss right here. I think I got in at the break. Nah, I didn't get in that close. Probably like 4:50. Let's just do that to make it simple. All right. W trade. time to log it in the logbook. Friday. Yo. Symbol SPX. 2%. One trade. Profit of the day. We were green. We were balanced at first, then we were trending mid to wide. Risk management, market conditions met, position conditions met. Stick to the plan. Every trade must have a plan. And the key is to execute. SPX 2%. 2%. 2-1. Very subtle. Into 10-minute supply to confirm. How the fuck you spell retracement? Say pullback. I don't know how to spell that. Oh, that's for the dub. Alright. Entry conditions met. Stepping into the market. Dang, it cracked the 15. I'll probably take it. I'll probably be out right here after price rejects it. Whatever it is that's rejecting right here. I probably just would have got out at this little mini retracement to this trend line. Or even to the 15-minute. Like if price cracks and rejects all the way up to the 15-minute, that probably would be my exit point right there. Because I don't know what's pushing price up. I don't have a supply zone down here. Or a demand zone, rather. But yeah, man. That's it, man. Pretty good day. Exercise patience today. Waited until a high-quality setup presented itself. and you had a couple of those. You could have got in at this pinch play right here that I called pinch play, and those are really the only two setups that I've seen that was high quality. Maybe this one, nah, that's too. Range of return is just not there for this one. But this was pretty good, man. Pretty good day. I'm gone.